Step 1. Freeze the candle jar. Place your candle jar in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. The cold temperature will harden the remaining wax, making it easier to remove. Step 2. Pry the wax. Once the wax is frozen, use a butter knife or a similar household item to gently pry the wax from the sides of the jar. Step 3. Break the wax into chunks. If the wax is difficult to remove in one piece, break it into smaller chunks for easier handling. Step 4. Soak in hot soapy water or use rubbing alcohol. To remove any stubborn wax residues, soak the jar in hot soapy water for about 10 minutes for easy cleanup. Step 5. Wash and dry. Finally, wash the jar thoroughly with soap and water, then dry it completely. Decorate your jar and use it as a stylish storage container. To learn more candle tips, visit our website at trilliumcandle.co.